Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. Let's talk about the most interesting topic, passwords. So what's a password? A password is simply a secret string that you use in order to authenticate yourself to a system. That system could be your phone, it could be a remote server, it could be your account on Instagram or Twitter or YouTube, or maybe just your basic computer login. You use your password to authenticate yourself at places, right? Now, since password is the only thing that you use in order to authenticate yourself, it needs to be strong. So, what's a strong password? A strong password should at least have 12 characters. More than 12, even better. It should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. It should also have special characters and numbers, and it should not contain any common words. So, now this might sound very complex, but let me give you a very simple trick that you can use in order to create any password. So, instead of using a word, you choose a phrase. For example, here I have the phrase, "This is my secure password," right? And I've simply swapped some characters from it using words and letters. That's how you can use or basically create a strong password by using phrases, right? Your phrase can also be "I love Jim Morrison," and then you can simply change O with 0, I with 1, and maybe add some special characters here and there, right? So there is one way for you to check how strong your password is. I have uh, mentioned the link here, and this is a website by Bitwarden, and they have this tool called password strength testing tool. So depending on how strong your password is, it will simply tell you how much time would it take for an attacker to crack it. So let's just use the recent example. I love Jim Morrison, right? Now let's make it strong. We'll replace I with 1. Let's replace this O with 0, this E with 3, this O again with 0, one more 0 here, one more 1, one more 1, and in the end we can add some characters. And now, as you can see, from a simple passphrase we have built a strong password, right? Now it is obviously very difficult to remember this password, so a very good suggestion is to use password managers. So create your own password and then store them in your password manager.